Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I'm just kind of like strolling through CVS seeing what's new, and I came across this from Maybelline. So it is the new Maybelline Tattoo Studio. So this is like a brow gel. It's a waterproof brow gel, and it says that it lasts up to 2 days. So I was really interested to see how this works, if it works, all that stuff. So you can see my full face is done. What I have to do now is just put on some brow, and then I'm gonna wear this and we're gonna see if it actually lasts for 2 days or not. I do wash my face twice a day, every single day. So, you know, that'll be a good test to see if this will actually withstand that, and, you know, if it works with me sleeping on it and everything. So, I'm very, very interested to see if this works. If it does, it could be a really great way to get instant brows that last. So, anyways, this is what it looks like. And, you know, here's the before and here is the after. Now, let's just be honest. I think that after looks terrible. It's way too dark and way too boxy. So I am going to use it on the little spoolie that it comes in, but I'm also going to take an angled eyebrow brush, like this one from ABH, and I'm going to use that to like fill in some of the spots, because I don't like how that looks. And I don't want some just big boxy brows that are stuck on my face for 2 days, you know? I got the color Soft Brown, and ooh. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so the little applicator, look at that. It looks like it's got fibers stuck onto it. It's really, really interesting. So it says, short, smooth strokes, starting mid-brow, then fill and blend from the start of brow. Number 2, fill tail. And optional, blend and groom with spoolie. Okay, so it literally just says put it on and drag it around with another spoolie. So, I am nervous. All right, so I don't want to like go in with too much. I'm so nervous about this. So, oh, I already did put some ABH brow, oh God, brow gel in my, oh God. I feel like I can't talk while I'm doing this. I did already put in some of the ABH brow pomade, not the pomade, what the crap, the brow wax, this thing. I put this thing in. Hello. That's how I get my brows to go in all the same direction. That stuff honestly is such a lifesaver for me. It's not terrible, but you really do need one of these, an angled brush, because once you get the product on, you gotta move it around. Otherwise, you'll be stuck with that initial block like you saw. On my monitor, it looks so good. It looks nice and separated and brow-like, but in the mirror, it looks like a chunk of product is just on my brow. It does not look good. Maybe I can move it around a little bit. Let's see. I have not played with this yet. Yeah, so I'm not a fan of just going in with this. What I'm going to do is just go into my brush, put it on my brush, and then kind of like spread it around like I would with a pomade, and like on the back of my hand, get it all saturated how I want it, and then go in and brush this on. This is generally how I fill in my brows. The thing about this is, like, if it works, that would be so amazing, right? Like, you could just put this on and have brows for 2 full days. That's wonderful. But look, like, it's so sharp right here. Ooh. And that's the other thing. If it really does last for 2 full days and you don't like how your brows turned out, you're screwed. This reminds me of my old brows. I used to use a brow gel from Makeup Forever. It was their waterproof brow gel, and I used to have the sharpest angled line right here, and then very thin dark brows, and I loved them. But looking back at pictures, no, I did not look good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is use the other side, the spoolie, and kind of very gently brush through these. See if I can move some of that product around. I would recommend using a clean spoolie. So grab a clean one and start brushing through. The product on whatever's actually here on my brow is still wet, so I'm able to work with it and like move it and use it. And I mean it's okay. Right now I don't love my brow by any means, but it's fine. So let me get this out of here. So here is, you know, the brow on, and this is just a plain, my natural looking brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. Alright guys, so this is the product fully on. I was kind of messing with them, trying to get some more product to move around. Again, the issue that I'm having right now is that in my monitor, it looks actually pretty good. I like how they look. They look nice and feathered. I feel like you can see the different brush strokes. But in person, in my mirror right here, they look very dark. There are no hair lines, no hair strokes. So it kind of just looks like one block of color, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Right now what I'm thinking is you definitely don't want to just go directly in with a ton of product on here. You do need to wipe off a lot of the excess that's on here, so you have a pretty dry brush, and then use that to slightly start to put it on. But you definitely want to have an angled brush with you immediately to start working through getting those hair-like strokes. And again, you do want to have a clean spoolie on you so you can start moving stuff around as well. I think that is kind of like the best way to attack this. But what I'm going to go ahead and do now is just go on with my day, go on with my life. I'm going to see if this actually lasts for 2 full days. After I wash my face tonight, I will go ahead and jump back on camera and show you what we're looking at. If there's any product left, if they look different, just what they look like after being washed, because again, it does say that it is waterproof and it will last for up to 2 days. So yeah, I will have to just come back in a little bit and we'll kind of just go from there and do some check-ins over the next couple days. Okay guys, so it is about 10 o'clock now. It's 9:51. And my brows, I just washed my face and everything. My brows are completely gone. You don't even know, you can't even tell that I ever had this stuff on my brows. So what I'm going to say about this is it probably works if you're not someone who, I don't know how to word this right. If you are going on a trip and you don't need to wash your face and you're not looking to wear any makeup but you want to have brows on, you can pop this on and it probably will actually last a full 2 days. But if you're going to go in and wash your face and cleanse your face and put on moisturizers, it's going to disappear. I didn't even struggle getting them off. It just completely wiped off, came off, rinsed off, and was done. It was like it was never even there. And it doesn't even say on here, like if you read, all that it says on the side panel is how to apply it, but it doesn't say... Oh wait, hold on. Wait a minute. It says avoid using oil-based or classic makeup removers on brow area while wearing the product. Avoid scrubbing or exfoliating the brow area while wearing the product. So that's exactly what it does. If you're not going to be washing and rinsing and cleansing and going in and really working on your face, this will work, it'll last. But if you are somebody who's looking for that perfect brow and you're hoping to just slap this on and have a great brow for the next 2 days, but you actively wear makeup, you're not going to have a great brow for 2 days. This is going to rinse off, it's going to wash out, it's going to be gone the second that you want it gone. You know what I mean? So as far as I'm concerned, this is just a total pass for me. I'm somebody who always has makeup on, and I don't know, even if I'm just going for like that light makeup day where all I want is lashes and a brow, if I'm looking for this to last for 2 days, like I'm still gonna wash my face. You know, I'm still gonna wash it, I'm still gonna moisturize it, I'm still gonna do my normal routine, and I don't see how I could do that skipping my entire brow area. Like that just doesn't work for me. I need something with way more power than this. So I don't know, all in all, this one unfortunately is a pass for me. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. If you have suggestions for how you would say to use this product, definitely let me know as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!